Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing two little upgrades. I'm doing LED upgrade to my 2000 Silverado, the Dove project, and I'm also installing something new that I recently discovered. It's a heavy-duty tailgate shock for these specific trucks. So 06 or 99 to 07. This one's a 2000, that one's an 06, and apparently it's kind of like it'll kind of mimic the new trucks where just like the tailgate will actually lower real slow, which is kind of neat. It says I don't got a drill or anything to install this thing, so I'm gonna do a quick little video, and there's probably 1,500 videos on how to put these in, so I'm not gonna worry about that too much. But tailgate shock is definitely one I want to do, and here we go. So right away, here's your shock right there. It looks like there is all the hardware in here. I don't know what that little red liquid is. Oh, you know what? That might be Loctite or something. Right there. Washers. I'll read the instructions and I'll put it on. So, kind of got carried away. Kind of finished the project. But it wasn't nothing crazy at all, really. Right here, they make you replace this bolt right here, which is over here, the striker bolt, or no, not the striker, the bolt for the tie, and then you remove this little bolt right here that holds on to the tailgate, and you add this, like, it's a little dirty, it's got like a little chrome bracket that adds a little bolts right here, and you can add a nut to that, and you can then mount the bracket. All together maybe 20 minutes. I did notice on my specific truck, this bolt, as you can see, there's this big washer that kind of gets installed. There's a gap in there. My truck isn't exactly straight, but the overall results are kind of good. I don't like how this nylon washer is installed. It kind of has to be a little loose so that this can kind of pivot. If not, like, the wire kind of sticks out between the tail light and the tailgate. But whenever you close it, kind of closes up like that, and it kind of still does it now, but it's nothing crazy. But whenever you lower it, easy. I did grease up everything. I did put a little bit of this liquid wrench white grease that I kind of got laying around. Once I installed that, once I put a couple dabs of that, it kind of lubed everything up, and now it's kind of moving a little bit easier. Especially this tie, I had to like grease up this side right here, and I also did the other side too, just to try to make it a little bit easier on this truck. And I also installed the good old hose clamp on the tailgate, the Please Don't Steal My Tailgate mod. I did that because someone stole my taillights before and it sucked, which is a really embarrassing phone call you gotta make. But yeah, now I'm gonna install the lights, and here it'll be done in a flash. Nice big difference between the HID right there and the LED right there. Here's the basically old school version of an HID right there, with the giant ballasts and stuff like that. And I've had these on the truck for about 5-6 years. Not bad. I don't even remember what brand they were, to be honest. But the new, even these, they're like $50. These new LEDs are they're really like solid. I haven't done any long-term testing because I just bought them, but put that in. Oh, I can hear it whizzing. Cool. Put this in, take a final look. So here we are. Two fresh LEDs up front, looking good. I honestly, genuinely forgot how much like wiring is associated with LEDs, or HIDs, my bad. This is crazy. And no wonder I freaking struggled with these things. Like during the winter time, these things don't even turn on. Sometimes. You gotta flash the highs a little bit and they'll kick back on. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Come back soon. Hopefully I have a little bit more updates for that. And I'll keep messing with this thing. Later.